How to find old chat in Character.AI app. So if you accidentally closed a chat or you want to actually continue the previous conversation, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to actually show you exactly what you need to do in order to find those old chats on your Character.AI app. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So before we dive right into the video, like this video, subscribe, and hit notification bell like this. Let's dive right in. So the first step you need to take is to log into your Character.AI app. You can actually get the app from your Play Store. Just go to your Play Store, App Store like this and search for Character.AI app. You're going to see this app. Go ahead and install it on your device. Once that is done, you can now go ahead and click on open, or you can update yours if yours says updates. So once you are now on the app, the next step you need to take here is to click on the chat section at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on the chat section like this. Now, meanwhile, while opening the app, if they ask you to log into your account, you need to log into your account with that same Gmail that you use for the old chats you are looking for, like the Gmail you use in creating the account. That is the account where you lost the old chat that you want to actually see. You need to log into that exact Gmail account. So once you do that, this is what you need to do. Go to the chat section like this, and you're going to be able to see the previous chat you've had on the app. So right here, the next step you need to take is to search for the chat if you're not seeing it right here. But you should be seeing it right here on your history, showing right here. So you need to go ahead and click on any of them. Just look for the one that you're looking for. Go ahead and click on them. Now, the next step you need to take here, looking here, you are going to be able to see the chat that you've had with that person. So the next step you need to take here, if you're not seeing all you want to see, is to click on your profile icon at the bottom, the left corner of your screen. You can see the profile icon right there, close to where you can actually type in a message. Go ahead and click on the profile like this, and you're going to see this option of history. Once you click on that like this, you're going to see the chat you've had with this person. So looking here is the chat I've had with this person. You can click on archive in order to archive it if you don't want to be seeing it. So this is how simple it is to see and find old chats in Character.AI app. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next video.